Step into the 2009 Chrysler Point Cruiser Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: satellite radio, driver illuminated vanity mirror, bucket seats, security system, auxiliary audio input, engine immobilizer, rear defrost, and front disc rear drum brakes. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.